Hey, hello sir, can you help me do a survey? Very quick one, 1 minute only, 1 minute of your time only. 5 years ago, my girlfriend and I were walking around Expo when this financial planner approached us. It only take a quick minute, very fast one I promise. After seeing how persistent and pitiful she was, we relented. So she led us to her booth and she sat us down on a seat. She then started asking us a series of personal questions like what are we working as, how much are we saving, how much are we earning, and then proceeded to introduce us a savings plan. We rejected her multiple times, but she still insisted that we needed this plan. So she continued to try and sell it to us. After seeing our body language and our very cold responses, she eventually let us leave. When I checked my watch, the 1 minute that she promised that it will take actually took 45 minutes. And I was really upset, not only because she just wasted our time, but also she betrayed our trust and our kindness. Since then, I've always been very skeptical of financial planners. Yet I always knew the importance of financial planning. That's why a year later, I decided to become a financial planner myself. I wanted to learn how real professionals plan for their clients, and so that I can not only plan for myself, but also change the whole financial industry as well. So having been a financial advisor for the past 4 years, I've witnessed many people delaying their finances all because they couldn't find a person that they could trust. And as a result, by the time they want to start planning for their finances, they are either uninsurable because of their illnesses or injury, or they don't have enough for their financial goals like their retirement, or because they didn't start investing earlier. And that's why I came up with this financial planning framework so that you, the average Joe, can plan for your finances at the comfort of your own home without fear of having financial planners trying to hard sell you a policy. I've used this framework to plan for hundreds of families, and many of them are now my clients who are on their way of becoming financially independent, successful, and free. Now, this framework is called SPEED. S stands for self-awareness, P, positioning your goals, E, evaluating your options, E, establishing a plan, and lastly, D, dominating your goals. Self-awareness basically just means consolidating everything that you have in terms of your finances into a place so that you know where you are at currently. You can do it through an Excel sheet or an app. P, positioning your goals. This is where I'll share with you how to set goals that are not only attainable but also a stretch, so that when you achieve them, you feel motivated to continue achieving more. E, evaluating your options. This is where I'll share with you how you can list down and weigh the pros and cons of each decision. E, establishing a plan. This is where I will share with you how you can pick the best suited option for you in your specific current situation. D, dominating your goals. This is where I'll share with you how you can constantly hit your goals by tracking your finances closely. Now, if you want more details on each individual part of this acronym, the SPEED framework, you can click the link below. I've attached a playlist where I break down each individual acronym into 5 different videos. I've also created a checklist for you over here so that you can go and download it and you can reference it while you plan for your own finances yourself. And lastly, if you want someone to help you plan for your finances and guide you through this financial planning journey, you can feel free to reach out to me through any of the following methods down below. I wish you good luck and all the best to your financial planning journey. See ya!